Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure the phone is ready. Connect to Wi-Fi and verify you have enough storage so the download won't stall. Once done, unlock the iPhone and open the App Store. Sign in if prompted. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right to reveal available updates. This gets you directly to apps that need attention, so you can find Messenger without searching. Make sure background app refresh is allowed if you want automatic updates later. You'll now locate Messenger in the update list. Scroll down to available updates or type Messenger into the search bar if it's not visible. Tap Update to start the single app update, or choose Update All to do multiples at once. This saves time but uses more bandwidth. While it downloads, keep the App Store open until the progress indicator finishes. If the button is grayed out, pause for a moment and confirm your Apple ID password or Face ID to authorize the download. Finally, open Messenger and check that the app launches and shows the expected new features or updated version in Settings About. If it refuses to open, restart your iPhone first. This often clears temporary glitches. Should the problem continue, delete and reinstall Messenger. Touch and hold the icon, delete app, then reinstall from the App Store. If you rely on chat history, make sure conversations are backed up to iCloud or Messenger.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.